Hello, hello. So, welcome to today's Potd video. First, we understand the question, and then we came up to a intuition behind it, and then we code up the intuition. Okay. So, our question name is minimum repeat to make the substring. Okay. So, given two strings s1 and s2, written a minimum number of times s1 has to be repeated. Okay, such that s2 is substring of it. If s2 can never be substring, return -1, and both the string contain only lowercase letter. Okay, so they are saying us that how many times we have to repeat s1 so that we like made the s2, and if it is not possible that s2 can be made from the s1 as a substring, then we have to return the -1. Like in the last case, a b and c will never be repeated in s1. Like how many time we can repeat the s1, so that's why we have to return -1. And like in the second example, a b c d, they are given, and we have to make c d a b. Okay, so let's understand that how we how we have to repeat it three times so that our answer should match. Okay, so one time we have to match it, we have to repeat it abcd. Okay, and if we on one time already repeated abcd, okay, then what we have to do, we have to again repeat abcd and again repeat abcd. Okay, so how many times we repeated? We repeated three times, and now you can see that C D A B C D A B. Okay, so this is the substring that we are founding in S1, and that is S2. So how many times we repeat it? We repeat it three times. Okay, what we have to do in this? Okay, so as we know that if its length is L1, okay, if its length is L1 and its length is L2, okay, so then L1 should be greater than equals to L2 to repeat L2 in L1. Okay, because minimum length is equal to, like both the lengths should at least be equal, but it may be possible that both are length are equal, but L1 not contain it as a substring, like in this case ABC and CAB. Okay, so their both length are equal, but they are first string CAB is not repeat. So like what we have to do to repeat CAB, we have to repeat it two times. Okay, so then what it become ABC, and one more time ABC. So now you see that CAB is repeated. Okay, so what we learn from this example is that note the equal to length, like greater than length can also be required to make it as a substring. Okay, so that's the point I am pointing here, that L1 should at least be equal to L2, and it may be that greater than equal to. Okay. So then what we do initially, we first repeat S1, till it S1 length should not be like equal to like S2 length. Okay. So our intuition is that repeat. Okay. Hmm. Repeat S1 length till not equal to not equal to S2 length. Okay. So we repeat S1 length till it not become equal to S2 length. Okay. Then what we do? Then we find S2. Okay. S1 dot find. mm, okay. Let me see. Okay. Then what we have to do? Find S2 in S1. S2 in S1. Okay. So then next what we have to do? We are finding an element, then it may be possible that a element not be found or element may be found. Okay. Then what we have to do? Find S2 in S1. Okay. And it may be possible that if found, if mm, If we found, okay, then we what we have to do, we have to return the count that how many times we are repeated the element, okay. And if it is not found, then what we have to not found. Okay, so not found, then what we have to do, we have to repeat it one more time. Repeat it one more time. Okay, repeat it one more time. So why we are repeating it one more time? Because we already seen from the this example ABC and BCA that it may be possible that equal to length is not sufficient. So we are repeating it one more time, and then what we have to do, then again we have to find it, again we have to find it. Okay, so again find it. Then we have to again find it, and the same thing we have to repeat it again. Okay, so the same thing we have to repeat it again, that like if it is found, find as2 in s1. If found, then we have to return, and else we are returning the -1 at last. Okay, so this is the intuition behind it. Okay, so this is the main thing, that L1 length should at least be greater than or equals to L2 length. So first we repeat and we find it, and not found, one more time, repeat as one, and if then also not found, then return -1. So let's see the code. Okay, okay. So this is the code that first we are storing as one in the repetitive like a substring. Then we are counting starting from one, because as one is already repeated itself one time. Okay, and then we are doing the step that while both length are not equal, and if it is founded, then return the count. It may be possible that the both length are equal, and we have to repeat it one more time. Then we are repeat it one more time also. If after that also not found, then we are returning -1. So that's our solution. Let's compile and run it, so that we can confident, so that it is got accepting or not. Okay, so while submitting, it is got accepting. Okay, so thank you for seeing the video.